You make a sad face? Oh, that's very sad. Can you make a happy face? That's your happy face?
Yeah.
Can you make a silly face? Silly, silly. What book are you reading?
Go book.
Dora's book?
Yeah.
Make a silly face for me again. I love you. You're a silly girl. What is that? What's in your mouth?
That cat hair. Cat hair, Mommy.
What?
Cat hair. Cat hair, Mommy. Cat hair.
Crackers in your mouth?
Yeah.
You ate cracker a long time ago. I think your tongue is in your mouth.
Yeah.
Is that your tongue? You're silly. Say bye-bye.